RDX English Learning.
David, it's time to wake up.
Mom, is it morning already?
Yes, it's 7. Time to get ready.
I'm still sleepy.
You can sleep early tonight. Now get up.
Okay. Can I stretch first?
Of course. Then go wash your face.
Where's my towel?
On the bathroom hook.
I found it.
Don't forget to brush your teeth.
I will, Mom.
Did you brush?
Yes, my teeth feel clean now.
Good boy. Now, go get dressed.
What should I wear?
A t-shirt and jeans. It's warm today.
Okay. Where are my socks?
In your drawer.
Found them.
Are you ready now?
Almost. Just putting on my shoes.
Let's go have breakfast.
I'm hungry.
Sit down. Breakfast is ready.
What did you make?
Toast, eggs, and some fruit.
Yay, I love eggs.
Want milk or juice?
Juice, please.
Here you go.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome.
What are your plans today?
I need to clean and go shopping.
Can I help later?
That would be great.
After breakfast, I want to draw.
Sure, but clean the table first.
Okay, I'm almost done eating.
Want more toast?
No, I'm full.
Did you like the fruit?
Yes, the apple was sweet.
Great. Let's get started with our day.
Let's go.
Mom, I don't feel good.
Oh no. What's wrong?
My head hurts.
Do you feel hot?
A little bit.
Let me check your forehead.
Okay.
You feel warm. Maybe you have a fever.
My throat also hurts.
Did it start this morning?
Yes, when I woke up.
Do you feel tired too?
Yes, very tired.
Do you want to lie down?
Yes, please.
I'll get you a blanket.
Thanks, Mom.
Would you like some water?
Yes, my throat is dry.
Drink slowly.
Okay.
I think we should visit the doctor.
Do we have to?
Just to be safe.
Hello, how can I help you?
My son is feeling sick. Can we see the doctor?
What's his name?
David Brown.
Please wait a moment.
Mom, I'm nervous.
It's okay. The doctor is nice.
Hello, David. What's the problem?
My head and throat hurt.
Do you have a fever?
I think so.
Let me check your temperature.
Okay.
Yes, you have a small fever.
Is it serious?
No, just a cold.
Will I get better soon?
Yes, take medicine and rest.
Can he go to school tomorrow?
Better to stay home one more day.
Thank you, doctor.
Get well soon.
David, how are you feeling today?
Much better, Mom.
No more fever?
No, I feel normal now.
That's great. Ready for school?
I think so.
Don't forget to brush your teeth.
I'm going now.
What do you want for breakfast?
Just toast and milk.
Coming right up.
Thanks, Mom.
Do you have your homework?
Yes, I packed it last night.
Good. And your water bottle?
Oops, let me get it.
I filled it for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sweetheart.
I missed school a little.
Your friends will be happy to see you.
I hope I didn't miss much.
Just review slowly today.
Okay, I'll try my best. Mom, it's raining.
Yes, heavy rain today.
Can we go outside?
Not now. It's too wet.
I'm bored.
Let's play a game inside.
Board game or video game?
Let's bake cookies first.
Cookies, yay!
Wash your hands first.
All clean now.
Get the flour and sugar.
Got them. What's next?
Crack 2 eggs.
I did it. No shell inside.
Good job. Now mix.
It smells good already.
Let's put them in the oven.
How long?
About 15 minutes.
What can we do while we wait?
Play a board game.
Mom, have you seen my phone?
No. Where did you last use it?
I think in the living room.
Did you check under the sofa?
Yes, it's not there.
What about your backpack?
I already looked.
Try your bedroom.
It's not here.
Did you look in the bathroom?
I never take it there.
Still, check once.
I found it.
Where was it?
Under my bed.
See? I told you to check well.
I'll be more careful next time.
Good idea. David, can we talk for a minute?
Sure, Mom. What is it?
You've been quiet lately.
I've just been thinking.
About what?
My future.
That's a big topic.
I want to do something great.
Like what?
Maybe be a teacher? Or an artist?
Both sound wonderful.
But I'm not sure yet.
That's okay. You're still growing.
Did you always want to be a mom?
I wanted to help people. And now I help you.
I want to help people too.
That's a beautiful goal.
Thanks, Mom.
You're smart and kind. You'll do well.
I'll try my best.
I believe in you.
I love you, Mom.
David, can you help me today?
Sure. What do you need?
Let's clean your room first.
Okay. I'll start with my toys.
Put them in the basket.
Done. What next?
Fold your clean clothes.
Like this?
Yes, perfect.
Should I sweep too?
I'll sweep. You can wipe the table.
I like helping.
It makes the house nicer.
What about laundry?
Bring the dirty clothes.
Here they are.
Great. Let's wash them now.
Do we add soap?
Yes, I'll show you how.
It's easy.
With help, everything is easy.
We're a good team.
Are you ready to go?
Yes, I have my bag.
Did you pack your lunch?
It's in my bag.
Don't forget your water bottle.
Got it.
Are you wearing your jacket?
Yes, it's cold today.
Good. What time will you be back?
Around 3:30.
Be careful crossing the street.
I will.
Listen to your teacher.
Always.
And be kind to your friends.
I will.
Give me a hug.
Hug.
I'll miss you.
Me too.
Have a great day.
Thanks, Mom. Bye.